23 minutes on an average is what it takes to return to your original task with full focus after an interruption. The striking finding by Gloria Mark, a University of California professor, underlines a hidden productivity killer we all face: constant interruptions. But don't worry, there is a proven method to combat this: the Pomodoro Technique. Stick around as we delve into the incredible world of the Pomodoro Technique, a secret weapon for every multitasking mom. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to use this incredible yet free productivity technique and also why you need it. Let's discuss the power of 25 minutes today. Moms, we wear many hats, and juggling it all can be a real challenge. That's where the Pomodoro Technique comes in. Developed by Francisco Crisillo, this time management method is a true game changer. Choose a task. Select the task you want to work on. It could be anything from work assignments, household chores, or personal projects. Set a timer for 25 minutes. That's one Pomodoro. Here is how you can use this technique. Use a timer. You can use your phone, a free Pomodoro app, or a physical timer, and set it for 25 minutes. This period is known as one Pomodoro. Second is to work on the task. Focus on the chosen task and work diligently until the timer rings. Try to immerse yourself completely in the task during this. Third, take a short break for 5 minutes. Once the timer rings, take a short break for 5 minutes. Use this time to stretch, take a walk, grab a snack, or do something enjoyable to relax your mind. Now, fourth one is to repeat the process. After the break, return to the task for another Pomodoro, that is 25 minutes of focused work. Repeat this cycle. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Record completed Pomodoros. Keep track of these completed Pomodoros. This not only helps you see your progress, but also provides a sense of accomplishment. Now, the sixth step is to evaluate and adjust. After a few sessions, evaluate your productivity. If you found certain tasks took longer or shorter than expected, adjust your Pomodoro durations accordingly. Seventh one is to use the technique consistently. Consistency is key. Make the Pomodoro technique a regular part of your work routine. Over time, it can help improve your focus, concentration, and overall productivity. Eighth is to adapt to your tasks and energy levels. The Pomodoro technique is flexible. You can adjust the length of your Pomodoros and breaks based on your tasks and energy levels. Some people find 25 minutes too short or too long, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. Now, what shouldn't you do? During a Pomodoro, avoid the temptation to check emails, social media, or other distractions. Stay disciplined and focused on the task at hand. Remember, the Pomodoro technique is a tool and you can tailor it to fit your needs. Experiment with the duration of your Pomodoros and breaks until you find a rhythm. Comment below if you have any questions regarding this and I'll get back to you. And follow me to learn more such amazing yet simple productivity techniques. And if you want to master productivity, click on the link below to join my free Proactive Productivity Mastery webinar for mothers. See you there.